number 8. Cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here right hand side equal to 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta equal to see what we did top when I tan have it sin by cos on to ka whole as well atraga see them asagi Pythagorean relation to follow here here is 1 minus tan have it sin square theta by cos square theta lani 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta equal to LCM the cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta pange thadana cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta pange sigi makai cos square theta jiga sigi makai cos square theta jiga karna bhai equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta pange na theta makha is the cos square theta plus sin square theta the 1 ne 1 the equals to are see the left hand side ta number 9 sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. The left hand side is over here and the left hand side equal to sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta sin power sin square theta whole square even power 4 everything 2 into 2 4 ni minus cos square theta whole square where equal to a square minus b square d a square minus b square a square plus b square ni sin square theta plus cos square theta di 1 ni 1 ga siga puina ba habidi sin square theta minus cos square theta ta the right hand side ta Roman number 10 1 plus 1 by tan square a 1 plus 1 by cos square a equal to 1 by sin square a minus sin power 4a sige angka jadi makan mayam mo hot pa yai What first left hand side equal to 1 plus 1 by tan square a 1 plus 1 by cos square a equal to 1 plus 1 by tan habadi kari ka mana gaya kada cot ka mane sina 1 plus tan square a ka mane 1 plus cos square a habadi cos square a ga mane sina sec square a ga mane cosec habade mu 1 by sin ga mane aduga sec ga 1 by cos ga mane aduga koina ta di sin square a minus animak sin na atane aduna sin gi dum yazare cos gi di 1 by sin square a haraga into cos square a habade 1 minus sin square a ga mane ana cd purina bani mata kai purina di 1 go 1 purina di 1 tare sin square a go 1 purina di sin square a minus sin square a ga sin square a ga di sin power 4a la ni equal to right hand side sigi right hand side je c what is right or 1 by cos square a minus cos 4a what is it samare cos square a minus cos 4a what gana sin square a hai bagi muta 1 minus cos square a 1 thoga sigi cos square jana purina raga dum samana na tagane method atopa left hand side equal to hazikidu nadi khwaidagi samne aduga atopa sum yenga hai taragadi na on by 1 plus adu left hand side equal to 1 plus 1 by tan square a lere 1 plus 1 by cot square a lere equal to 1 plus 1 by tan habidi cot square a lere 1 plus tan square a lere equal to 1 plus cot habidi cos square a by sin square a ni sina sin square a by cos square a ni equal to LCM over the sin square a plus cos square a divided by sin square a lani into cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a ni equal to sin square a plus cos square a is 1 dare 1 by sin square a into 1 dare 1 by cos square a sigi makade tikidu ko mustama na so minus follows jo na toga 1 by 10 le rambi dum 10 ha baje sin by cos dum pala ga siga samana na mutara kane so minus follows jo ai makan hot pe ai Roman number 11. Roman number 11. Tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 equal to sec square a cosec square a. Equal to left hand side equal to tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 like equal to 2 I will say 1 plus 1 so to pay aduna tan square a plus 1 cot square a plus 1 irani tan square a plus 1 di sec square a lere plus di cosec square a lere equal to sec I will say 1 by cos square a ni plus 1 by sin square a lere equal to LCM number cos square a sin square a matatana sin square a plus cos square a the matak is 1 tare 1 by cos square a sin square a ana 1 by cos square have the sec square a 1 by sin square have the cosec square a tare equal to right hand side Roman number 12. Sin cube a plus cos cube a divided by sin a plus cos a equal to 1 minus sin a cos a. Left hand side equal to sin cube a plus cos cube a divided by sin a plus cos a equal to matak sidi a cube plus b cube lấy ở quên là khang formula là a cube plus b cube hay gì a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square nó lấy ở nào cái formula là pa là này coi ở nào a hay gì sin a plus cos a lấy đấy sin square a minus sin a cos a plus cos square a lấy đấy divided by sin a plus cos a. Sige sin a plus cos a का sin a plus cos a का करना है मरम दी multiplication लाइव बनी ना और ना sin square a plus cos square a दी 1 तारे 1 minus sin a cos a equal to right hand side तारे